Stop. Think Stable Diffusion 1.5 is only good for fuzzy squares? Think again. This is the 3-minute node. I'm going to show you the ultimate 3-node combo that turns that old 512 base model into a modern photoreal powerhouse. The secret starts with a great fine-tuned model. SD1.5 has the largest library of custom checkpoints in the world. Load up a top-tier checkpoint, like Realistic Vision or Juggernaut. Next, we fix the resolution. The model was trained at 512, but we can push it. Set your latent image to 768 by 512. This is the sweet spot for detail without massive distortion. Now the prompt, you must be descriptive. Don't just say a building. Layer your details. A brutalist concrete facade, cinematic lighting, ultra-detailed textures, volumetric haze, 8K render. For these detailed checkpoints, crank up your steps. Try 30 to 40 steps with a strong sampler like DPM++2M Keras. This gives the model enough time to resolve the fine detail your prompt is demanding. And that's it. You've successfully broken the 512 barrier. Your classic Stable Diffusion 1.5 is now generating images with stunning clarity and detail. The old models aren't dead, they're just waiting for the right workflow. Get the exact JSON workflow for this 3-node solution on our Discord now. Hit like and subscribe to the 3-minute node for your next shortcut. And that's the node, all open source, no filler. Thank you for watching. Grab the file, keep creating.